Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Riola. In today's tutorial, I'd like to show you how to add a secondary axis in an Excel graph. For that, we're going to use sales by month of t-shirts and the corresponding profit of those sales. I'm going to highlight all the data, go to Insert, click on Line Graph, and now we see a line graph of sales of t-shirts and its corresponding profit in the orange line. However, this graph is not very useful. The reason is because it looks like profit is constant. And this is happening because the profit, the scale is so much smaller than the scale for the t-shirts. So all under one scales. So I'm going to add a secondary axis by right-clicking on this line, clicking on Format Data Series, and here you can see secondary axis. This graph shows us how the profit is trending with the sales. It's still not a very useful graph. I would prefer to see something else. If I click on the blue line, the amount of sales for t-shirts, then I choose Change Chart Type, and then I'm going to choose Cluster Column. This graph right here is a much better representation, which shows us the changing sales by month and its corresponding profit. I hope this video was useful. If you'd like to see more like this, subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Thank you.